slime. These are the materials that we need to make slime. Glue, contact lens solution, glitter, food coloring, baking soda, transparent bowl, and a spoon. Let's get started. First, let's pour some glue. Now let's scoop a pinch of baking soda and stir until it dissolves. Stirring until the baking soda dissolves. We'll add some contact lens solution. Next, let's put some food coloring and glitter. And we mix. Wow! Next, let's stir it until it becomes gooey, and we play with it as a slime.